Good day, my people. Good day, my people. Yeah, as I was saying, as we can see what's happening now in our country, I'm just listening now to the words of Prophet Hubert Angel. I'm not here to criticize him or to say anything bad about him. But the way he's speaking about our country, South Africa, which is in a way that I can't agree with him. I don't know, maybe it's because of his former brother, Prophet Bushiri, that ran out of this country. The way he encouraged Donald Trump, which tells me that he and Donald Trump, they come a long way, Prophet Hubert Angel. And the only other thing is that why is Elon Musk and Donald Trump now all of a sudden fighting each other? Because Elon Musk wants to come back to South Africa so that he can go on with that project of him that he wants South Africa to sign off for him. But I don't think it will ever happen in this country that South Africa will allow Elon Musk to go on with this project in this land, South Africa. Because this thing doesn't make sense. Because the day Cyril Ramaphosa was there in America, in a meeting with them, Elon Musk was also present there, supporting Donald Trump in this matter of Mr. Julius Malema. But now all of a sudden, the moment Cyril depart from America, all of a sudden in a week or two, they are arguing, they are fighting each other. No, there is a kunkel in the cabal. They are playing us. They try to play us. And they think that we as South Africans, that we are asleep. We are awake. We are not sleeping. No, I don't think that this country will allow Elon Musk to go on with that project of him. Because the moment South Africa sign off that deal, Elon Musk will go back to Donald Trump and they will celebrate what they had achieved here in South Africa. And then they will laugh at us. They will make us laughing stocks and they will laugh at us. Don't trust Elon Musk and Donald Trump. The way they are fighting each other now, no. They play us. They are not actually serious. They're just making it up to let us to show us that. Can you people also think why are the Americans so onto this thing? Say, oh, Donald Trump and Elon Musk, they are fighting each other. The president maybe will deport Elon Musk back to South Africa. No, Elon Musk wants to come back here. He must first come back and come and apologize to Cyril Ramaphosa and to Mr. Julius Malema. Why did he stand on the side of Donald Trump the moment the president